Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Alisha and I am studying in Tauheed Islamic School, 6th grade. Now, today I am going to show you how to make an aquarium in scratch. First, I am going to choose a sprite. Go to the animals category and choose fish. Now, I'm going to right click the fish and choose duplicate option. I'm going to make 4 fishes. Now I'm going to go to costumes and choose this fish. Now I'm going to go to the backdrop and choose a backdrop. Go to the underwater category and choose this underwater 2 backdrop. And I am going to first keep them in place. And then I'm going to add code in it. First I'm going to add a move 10 step block and add a if on edge bounce block and add a set rotation style left to right block. You can choose don't rotate or all around. I'm going to choose left to right block and then go to the events category and add a when green flag clicked block, and then I am going to add a forever repeat loop. Now I am going to add sound to it first. Play sound bubbles until done and go to the events category and add a when green flag click block and add a forever loop from the control category, and then I am going to right click the move steps if on edge bounce set rotation style, this one, and press Ctrl C, and then I'm going to add the same block to these fishes by pressing Ctrl plus V. I'm just going to put sound to this fish. Now we'll see this. It's going too fast, so we are going to change the steps. Move 10 steps, I'm going to add 2 steps. It will move slowly. It is moving slowly. This fish is moving slowly. Now add to this fish 2 and add to this fish. So now let's see. These fishes are going slow. So it's correct now. Jazakallahu khair for watching.